Hello dear traders, let us review the major economic events of the past week. US stocks closed in red on Monday as energy stocks slumped after oil prices closed at lowest levels in nearly 7 years. The Dow Jones Industrial Average slid 0.7%, while Exxon and Chevron stocks lost almost 3%. Airlines advanced, helped by lower oil prices. JetBlue Airways and Delta Airlines posted the biggest gains of around 4%. US dollar index rose 0.3%. European stocks slid on Tuesday, dragged lower by falling oil and commodity prices. The Stoxx Europe 600 index closed down 2%. Germany's DAX 30 index fell 2.3% to 10,631. Mining shares were hit hard after the release of weak Chinese data. Eurostat report indicated third quarter Eurozone GDP growth was in line with expectations. Nikkei fell 1.3% on Wednesday to 5-week low at 19,046 as yen recorded its biggest gain against the dollar in more than 3 months, hitting a 1-month high of 121.075 to dollar. Exporter shares such as Fanuc and Honda Motor were hit. The trading volume at Tokyo Stock Exchange's main board was 2.19 trillion yen. It is 14% below the average volume over the past year. On Thursday, oil hit 7-year lows. Brent crude oil fell 1.5% to $39.52 a barrel, while WTI fell 1.1% to $36.76. At the same time, gold slid 14% to $1,071.30 an ounce and was falling as US dollar gains continued on expectations of interest rates hike by the Fed next week. Moreover, slumping oil triggered fears of deflation, which is a bearish factor for gold, often used to hedge against inflation. On Friday, European stock indices advanced 1% after a nearly 2% fall on Thursday. The pan-European Stoxx Europe 600 edged up for the first time in 5 days, and mainly due to corporate data. Stocks of wind turbine producers edged up following the Paris Climate Conference. This week, we recommend paying attention to the Bank of Canada Governor's speech on Tuesday, New Zealand's GDP and Federal Reserve's interest rate decision on Wednesday, the US unemployment claims on Thursday, and Bank of Japan press conference on Friday. This was all for the week. Happy trading and see you next week.